Hey everyone! What if I told you that you can enjoy rich, chocolatey, fudgy brownies without using regular flour? Today I'm going to show you how to make almond flour brownies that are naturally gluten-free, lower in carbs, and incredibly moist. They're soft in the center, slightly crisp on the edges, and made with simple, wholesome ingredients. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups almond flour, a third cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, half a cup of maple syrup or honey, a third cup of melted coconut oil or butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a third cup of dark chocolate chips. Optional, but recommended. Everything is simple, clean, and easy to find. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a small baking pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine almond flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Mix well to remove any lumps. In another bowl, whisk the eggs. Add maple syrup, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and glossy. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until a thick brownie batter forms. Fold in your chocolate chips for extra richness. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. The center should still look slightly soft. That's the secret to fudgy brownies. Let them cool completely before slicing. This step is important because almond flour brownies firm up as they cool. And now, the best part. Look at that texture. Moist, dense, and perfectly chocolatey. Take a bite. It's rich, not too sweet, slightly nutty from the almond flour, and incredibly satisfying. You honestly won't miss regular flour. If you enjoyed this healthy brownie recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more healthy desserts, and comment below if you want more almond flour recipes. See you in the next video.